Let us talk about one-to-many relationships, shall we? We are going to create a posts model. So PHP, that is make model. We will attach migrations to create a post and migrations. I also would like us to go ahead and create a post factory. So PHP, that is make factory, post factory. Inside our post factory, we are going to have to return two values. You return title of the post, so you have as fake sentence, and you return the body, which will be fake paragraph, and maybe we can pass in a little bit more paragraphs, and that will be able to create for us a post. And so after that, we need to go to our post migration. We will need the user ID, so we can say foreign ID, and we will have the user underscore ID. Maybe we can say constraint, maybe on update, cascade, the same thing on delete, table foreign ID. After that, we can also have the title and the body. Like that. So the body as text and the title as a string. So after that, I would like us to go ahead and on top of creating a user, we also create several posts. So here in our previous video, we did create a user and a phone. So inside this function is where maybe I can also be able to just create the posts. So we can say posts factory, and we can pass in like 5 posts for each user. Then we can pass in the user ID to the post. So also remember to import the post model and see if we can be able to do that. So we like to run migrations, and we can run PHP artisan migrate fresh hyphen seed, and you've been able to migrate the posts and the users and also the phones. But in this case, we are only interested in the relationship between the users and the posts. So inside our user model, and in this case, the one-to-many relationship means that one user will have many posts, and then these posts can belong to a user. So basically something of that sort. So in our user model, we have public function and then posts, because there are many. Then here the return type, we have has many. And after that, inside here, we can say return this has many post class. Then just ensure that we have imported above here, eliminate database Eloquent relations has many. So once we do that, we are set on the user side, and we can be able to go ahead and check the posts that belong to a user. So I would like us to go to our resources, views, welcome.blade. Maybe we can go to the routing folder, and inside here we can comment out every other thing that we have here. And what I want us to do is to get the user post. So in this case, we can say posts. Maybe we can find the user first by saying user find a user with an ID of 1, and then we can say user posts like that, and probably we can be able to dd those values. So dd user posts like that. I would like us to see what is going to happen if we can be able to return the posts that belong to a user. And now, as you can see, we have 5 of them, beginning with a key of 0 and then up to 4. So those ones are 5 values of posts, and we can be able to just click on one and check. we are having the attributes, and we are having this as the body of our post. Basically, that is that. So that is how you can be able to have the one-to-many relationship. And then we can do the inverse of these relations, and we are going to do that inside the post model. And so inside here, what we are going to do, we will say that these posts belong to a user. So we can say public function user. And here we can be able to pass in the return type of belongs to. And then here we can say return this belongs to user class. And then remember also to import that class above. So basically, that is how to define a one-to-many relationship, both from the direct way to the way that is inverse of that relationship. Thank you very much.